Aelbert Jacobszoon Cuyp was born October 20, 1620, died November 15, 1691. He was one of the leading Dutch Golden Age painters, producing mainly landscapes, the most famous of a family of painters, the pupil of his father, Jacob Gerritzoon Cuyp. He is especially known for his large views of Dutch riverside scenes in a golden early morning or late afternoon light. He was born and died in Dordrecht. The development of Cuyp, who was trained as a landscape painter, may be roughly sketched in three phases based on the painters who most influenced him during that time and the subsequent artistic characteristics that are apparent in his paintings. Generally, Cuyp learned tone from the exceptionally prolific Jan van Goyen, light from Jan Both and form from his father, Jacob Gerritsz Cuyp.